want to do some more reflections on the Desi culture. You know, people tell me that my cousins all hate me because when I was in Pakistan from grade 2 to from grade 4 to grade 8, I was getting getting first position in my school. Not in my only in my section, but all 3 sections. So among 100 students, I had highest marks for 4 years from grade 4 until 4-8. So what did that do? Because of that, all my all my lazy dumb cousins were getting scolded by their parents because of me, because I was so bright students and they were not so bright. They were hardly passing their exams, so their parents were yelling at them. So that's why they are all mad at me, and now they are taking revenge from me. Seriously, it was like in 92, from 92 to 96. So 30 years ago, you are taking revenge from me for something that happened 30 years ago, and you call yourself Shia? Yeah. And what else, I am telling you the exact word of Maulvi, He said that, even if we go to the heaven, so what will happen, we will be, all our enemies, they will be getting punished in hell. That will be no fun. We want to see them suffering in front of our eyes. If they will suffer in hell and we are in heaven, we don't know what's happening. So that's why that Kutta Kamina Allah created Rajat, so that all our enemies will be back and we will be back, and my enemies will suffer and we will watch them suffering. I mean, seriously, if you make it to heaven, you should be grateful about that. You should not worry about your enemies suffering, okay? And you think, what is that? Huh? You expect me to forgive you for the things that you did yesterday, and you cannot, you are so pathetic, you are so cruel, you cannot forgive someone even if you make it to heaven? That's your idea of heaven is? This is some spiritual disease. This is not normal behavior. This is spiritual disease. And you think you will go to heaven with that kind of spiritual disease? ये मुंह और मसूर की दाल, तुम जाओगे जन्नत में. I mean, तुम जन्नत में पहुंच गए, ऐसी बात पे शुक्र अदा करो. नहीं, हमारे दुश्मन हमारी नजरों के सामने, इनको सफर होना चाहिए, वरना हमारा बदला कैसा पूरा होगा. इतनी स्टोरी तुम्हारी किताबों में भरी बनी है. उल्मा जो होते हैं ना, कहीं साल अपनी जरा सी स्पिरिचुअल डिजीज की वजह से कहीं साल अजाब भुगतते हैं, फिर जाते हैं जन्नत में. तुम जाओगे स्पिरिचुअल डिजीज से भरे हुए, तुम जाओगे जन्नत में. ये मुंह और मसूर की दाल. तुम लोग जाओगे जन्नत में. हो किस ख्याल में, किस खुशफहमी में? मैं खुदकुशी करूंगी और उसके बाद मैं सीधी जन्नत में जाऊंगी, क्योंकि मैंने अपने सारे गुनाहों का कफारा यही दुनिया में अदा कर दिया है. You will never get to see my suffering. Never, ever. तुम और जन्नत में ये मुंह और मसूर की दाल, इतने खबीस बेहुदा लोग, और जन्नत के ख्वाब.